Are you a homeowner who's looking to transform your living space into something extraordinary? Look no further than My House Design Build Team, Greater Vancouver's most awarded renovator builder, and we are here to help. We specialize in bringing your vision to life, and each week on Thursdays, we host complimentary webinars covering all areas of renovations and custom home building. Whether you're looking to renovate your kitchen and bath, upgrade your condo or townhouse, add an addition, create a multi-generational living space, or embark on a healthy, energy-efficient renovation or custom home project. During our webinars, you can expect to learn the secrets of successful design-build projects, the ins and outs of permits and bylaws, what goes into the designing and planning for your project, and much more from our experts. Signing up is simple. Just visit our website at myhousedesignbuild.com. There you'll find a schedule of all our webinars where you can sign up for the one that suits you best. Best of all, registration is completely free.